Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 4, looking at animals. Let's start the reading from page number 16 of your textbook. Busy bodies. Appu was munching peanuts and jaggery and reading a book. Look, Appu, you have a line of tiny visitors. Now here, children, this is a story of the characters are Appu and Minnie, and what they are doing? They were munching peanuts and jaggery. Children, do you know what is jaggery? Jaggery is good, and yes, it's a very good, it will give a very good taste when we are eating peanuts and jaggery together. So they were eating peanuts and jaggery both, and then suddenly they found, Minnie told Appu, can you see the line of tiny visitors here? Who are the tiny visitors, children? The tiny visitors are the ants. You can see the line of ants. Yes, wherever you find something sweet, the ants will come very fast. Okay, now let's read this poem. See them come in a wiggly line, out from the hole in a wiggly line, up the box, back and down again, with a load of food much bigger than them. Now, you must have observed, children, they always comes in a straight line. They walk in a straight line, they search for the food in a straight line. Okay? Some hurry out and some hurry in. Now, when they are coming out of the hole, some of them will come out, and some of them they will hurry to go inside. Stop to bump heads, then rush on again. Oh ants, oh friends, do tell me, be good. However did you find this store of food? Now it's a simple question that they're asking ants about that from where did you search the food? Where do you get the food and go and keep it in the hole? So I'll read these lines again. Some hurry out, some hurry in, stop to bump heads, then rush on again. Oh ants, oh friends, do tell me, be good. However did you find this store of food? Now, where they are taking those foods? They are taking the food in the hole, and they are just each and every ant will bring some food and they go inside the hole. Now what do you think? How big the hole is so that they are keeping so much of food inside? Have you ever observed ant holes or ant hills in the ground? Okay, we'll see a video related to these ants and how they are making ant hills. Coming to the next page, children, watch and find out. Number 1, who got the food? Now here is a small activity we can do. We can observe animals which are coming first to fetch the food. What we are going to do, take a piece of something sweet like jaggery or sugar or something fried like chips. Keep these food in an open dish on the floor and watch. How long did you have to wait before an insect found the sweet? The first insect to arrive near the sweet was probably an ant. Now this is the observation which you people also can do. What we can do, we can keep something sweet like sugar or jaggery in a plate, or we can keep something fried and wait. Which visitor, which animal or which insect will come first to eat those? So this is just an observation, children, and mostly you will find they are the ants who will come first, right? So watch the ants. Where are they coming from? How do you think they found the food? Do you think they are eating the food, or are they carrying it away? Where are they taking it? Now these are the questions which may arise in your mind, like where are they coming from? How do you think they found the food? Yes, this is a very good question. And suppose you are putting the food on a plate, but how the ants will come to know that there is a food and they have to go and pick it up? And then another question, do you think they are eating the food or they are carrying it away? So the ants will come, they take the food from there and they keep moving. And where they are going to take the food, it's again a question. If you keep grains of sugar, you might see ants carrying them away. What do you do with a peanut or a lump of jaggery that is too big for them to carry? Now, in case children, the food which they are carrying is so big. Now, have you observed what they are doing? If they are having a big peanut or a lump of jaggery, so what they are going to do? You must have observed many ants will take that piece together. So each one of them, they are helping each other. So there is a teamwork and they take that big part of the jaggery and go to the hole. Drop some pieces of chapati or bread outside the house and keep a watch. Now this is the second observation. What you can do, you can take some pieces of chapati or bread and you can keep it outside the house, and then you can observe that which animal or which domestic animal, or you can say any other animal, comes to take that piece of chapati. Note which birds or four-legged animals come to pick them up. Which animals are the quickest and the boldest in picking up the food that you throw. Now this is again an observation that you have to do. You can throw a piece of chapati or you can throw a piece of bread and watch which animal or bird will come to pick that piece first. Now the same way we have the flower visitors. Flower visitors means the insects or the animals which are visiting the flowers. Okay, so flower visitors. Look for flowering plants near your home or school. Watch for flying or crawling insects which visit these plants. Do you see any butterflies? Yes, there are many other insects. You will see honeybee, you will see the grasshoppers, you will see butterflies, colorful butterflies. They will come and suck the nectar from the flower. So these are called the flower visitors which visit the flower. When you see butterflies, stay still and watch them. Don't catch them. Do they come at all times of the day? Do they sit still or flit from flower to flower? Watch what they do when they sit on a flower. Now another observation about the flower visitors. You have to observe which all are the flower visitors, and suppose if you found a butterfly moving in the ground or from flower to flower flipping, so you can observe. You should not catch them. And what you have to do, you have to stay still and observe what that butterfly is doing. How much time they are sitting on the flower. So children, these are the two observations which you can do at home. And first one is you can use bread pieces or some sugar or jaggery, and you can see which type of visitors are coming first, which animals will come first to eat that. And secondly, you can watch or observe about the flower visitors. Okay, so these two observations you can do and tell. You can share with your friends and you can share in the class. Thank you.